Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm a client advisor here at Gramophone, and I'm here to talk today about one product in particular, the Yamaha GT-5000 turntable. Let's take a look. Improving off previous models like the GT-1000 and the GT-2000, Yamaha now gives us the GT-5000. The GT-5000 is a new flagship turntable from Yamaha, expanding on its high-fidelity heritage for pure musicality and quality craftsmanship. Pairing perfectly with the M5000 power amp, Yamaha provides premier performance. Also, we'll be providing content coverage of the full 5000 series, so make sure to check each one out. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot more videos just like this one coming in the future. Check it out. The Yamaha GT-5000 is made of heavy wooden cabinet and platter. They did this for a reason. It's made to dampen vibrations and improve performance. Inspired by the gold age of Yamaha's gigantic and tremendous turntable series, the GT-5000 has a custom belt drive. This minimizes the influence of motor cogging and excludes feedback control, making an open and smooth sound. Driven by a 24-pole, two-phase AC synchronous motor, which generates an accurate sine wave. This also has a heavy 5-kilogram aluminum platter. This is done for further stability. Yamaha gives you the standard and speeds of 33 and 45 RPM. The Yamaha GT-5000 provides a 9-inch tone arm. With its short and straight arm design, it delivers superior rigidity and balanced weight. This also provides you pure traceability with a rigid mechanism. What this means is there's no need for an inside force canceller weight. So the GT-5000 does not come with a cartridge. This allows you to customize your turntable to your performance demands. So we here at Gramophone recommend the Sumiko Songbird cartridge for this product, which we actually have a review on our YouTube channel, so go over and check it out. So the dimensions of the Yamaha GT-5000, the width is 21.5 inches. The height is 8 3/4 inches. The depth is 16 1/8 inch. So the weight is 58.4 pounds, being a very substantial weight for this record player. That's what you want from a hi-fi product, especially from this Yamaha. The GT-5000 has custom heavy-duty feet to give you a high-fidelity performance. The Yamaha GT-5000 is first class in every way. From its paint that matches the grand pianos that they design and are known for around the world. And as you can see, the 5000 series all shares this beautiful classic look across the whole line. The GT-5000 has two sets of balanced and unbalanced connections with a 3.5mm jack input. For just under $8,000, the GT-5000 provides beautiful craftsmanship in a high-quality, world-class turntable. The GT-5000 will provide you a high-level listening experience, one that will stay with you for many years to come. And that wraps up our video of the Yamaha GT-5000 turntable. You can purchase this 24/7 at skybygramophone.com and receive fast and free shipping right to your door. Also, visit us at our showrooms in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, as well as our lovely Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley. You can also follow us on social media. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Houzz. Links are down below. Whether you're looking for project ideas or need to schedule a service request, or contact our team of hi-fi, home theater, and design experts. Get inspired at gramophone.com. If you have any questions for me, ask at gramophone.com. I would love to help you out. If you like this video, give us a like and drop a comment below. And make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep up with all our upcoming videos. Let me know what you guys thought about the GT-5000 turntable, as well as the whole 5000 series by Yamaha. And thank you for watching, and as always, enjoy the music.